Good morning to all the public servants of the City Government of Manila. Today's flag-raising ceremony will be led by Universidad de Manila. Our program will begin with the flag raising and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, accompanied by the Banda ng Maynila, followed by the Panunumpa sa Matawag ng Pilipinas, to be led by Dr. Rosalie M. Cato, the head of student activities under the Office of the Vice President for Student Success and Support Services. Then, Dr. Edison D. Raimundo, the Chair of English Program of the College of Education, will lead us in prayer. Thereafter, as proud Manilans, we will be singing the Awit ng Maynila with the Banda ng Maynila. Then the Panata sa Bawat Pilipinas will be led by Dr. Manuel Richard B. Martinez, the Assistant Director of the Quality Assurance and Accreditation Office, followed by the singing of the Bawat Pilipinas hymn.
Muling taas ang kamay sa isang pagpapaan. Panata sa bakang Pilipinas. Bilang Pilipino, ang pagmamalik kong isa sa buhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Buhay sa ating dugo ang lahing dakila, magiting at may lanay. Palaging dadalhin sa puso, isip at diwa ang aking pagmamahal sa kultura ng bayan ng Siliana. Kaysa ng bawat mamamayan, iaalay ko ang aking talino at isalihan sa pagpapamulat ng aking bayan. Taglay ang lamig na naaayon sa mga pagdaigtigang pamatayan. Magiging instrumento ko sa pagsulong ng kagalingan, karunungan at kapayapaan. Makikisang nakikaloob ko sa mga diktahin ng pamahalaan dahil ang bonggaraan ay hindi lamang responsibilidad ng ilan. Isusulong at pangangalagaan ko ang karangalan, kalayaan at interes ng aking bayang minamahal. Bilang Pilipino na may pagmamahal, pakialaman na sa akin, hindi makasarili kundi para sa mas nakararami, tatahakin ko ang landas tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas.
The President of the Universidad de Manila that brings wealth of experience in academic leadership and a big commitment to our institution's vision and mission will now deliver the welcoming remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Maria Thelma Carlos Tina.
To our Honorable Mayor, Francisco Isto Moreno Toloso, our Honorable Vice Mayor, Gina Bianza, to the Secretary of the Mayor, Honorable Manuel Sakal, our Chief of Staff, Mr. Facility Administrator, Mr. Honorable Warren Timpos, my co-department heads, councilors, at sa ibang authority ng pamahalaan ng Luzon, Manila. A special mention also to our Commission on Higher Education, NCR Regional Director. We have Director Attorney Marco Cicero Domingo and Mr. Victorino Natin, the Chief Education Program Specialist from Commission on Higher Education. Today, we not only are very privileged to host the flag raising ceremony, but we also celebrate the small successes of UPM. Kaya po nandito ang Commission on Higher Education. Pero bago po sila po magbigay ng konting background, no, kung bakit po may matatanggap na recognition ang Universidad ng Manila, I would just like to tell everyone na ang Universidad ng Manila ay nais-isang local university na talagang nagbibigay ng libreng edukasyon mula sa entrance exam hanggang sa graduation. Hindi lang po ito nagbibigay ng libreng paaral, bagos nagbibigay pa po tayo ng monthly allowance na 1,000 pesos. So, just a report to everyone, in fact po, school year 2024-2025, nakapag-distribute po tayo ng 80,824,000 sa ating mga estudyante. Mayor, hindi pa po kasama yung 2 months natin para sa mga estudyante natin. Apart from this, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa lahat na hindi lang po bachelor's degree ang in-offer natin sa UPM. Baka po interesado kayo, meron din po tayong test courses na ginagawa po sa ating Santa Cruz Annex Campus. So, punta po kayo doon. Right now, what we have is bread and pastry program. Nakatapos na po tayo ng 2 batches. At hintayin niyo po, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng cookery NC2, bookkeeping NC3, events management NC3, at customer service NC2. Para naman po sa mga interesado magtrabaho sa barangay o sa mga kakilala nyo na naglilingkod na po sa ating mga barangay, meron din po tayong Associated Barangay Governance Program. So, at this point, to officially let us know what UDM has actually reaped the past few months, let me just, again, turn over the microphone to our CHED NCR Regional Director, Attorney Marco Cicero.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Of course, to our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Moreno, Vice Mayor Chensa, Dr. Kia, all our local officials as well as school officials, again, good morning. Please bear my indulgence. Some of you, actually most of you, I still do not know. This is my 4th day as Regional Director of NCR, having been assigned the past few months to Region 9. Region 9 is the Zamboanga Peninsula. I'd like to give credit, of course, to my predecessor, Dr. Jimmy Catanes, for making all this possible. Para po sa kaalaman ng ating students, a COPC, or what we call the Certificate of Program Compliance, as a requirement by the Commission on Higher Education to ensure the quality of education in your institution. This is very significant. Once we achieve 100% compliance, your institution will be entitled to the benefits of the Free Higher Education Act. Right now, it is my understanding that you are being funded by the local government. And I do know that I think your undergraduate programs have the corresponding COPCs. Kulang na lang natin po yung graduate programs ninyo. And I was talking to President a little earlier. Our commitment in the CHED is to work and coordinate closely with your institution, with the LGU, to ensure that we will be able to attain institutional recognition and get the benefits of the free higher education law. And also, I'd like to mention that among all the looks in the whole country, you are one of the few who have taken rankings, I think both in the URI and the Times Higher Education Pro. Congratulations. And once again, good morning to everybody.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin na hindi po ito posible kung hindi po sa very hard-working, passionate team that I have behind me, ang UBN community po. We were led by our Vice President for Academic Affairs and Quality Assurance, Director Dr. Angel Gavillo. Kasama po ang mga Dean, Program Chair, at faculty members. Ang VP po natin for Administration, si Attorney Cass. Maraming salamat po. Kasama po ang Supply, MLB, FGJS, lahat po kayo. Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit ito nangyari. And of course, ably supported by our Vice President for Student Success and Support Services, si Ma'am Nancy Tejada. And with that, meron po tayong library guidance and ating medical and dental services. At of course, wala natin nalimutan ang ating Office of the Vice President for Controllership. Kasi po yung budget na po sa kanila. Ang ating cash office, accounting. Maraming salamat po. All of you played a very big part in this achievement. And at this point, I would like to introduce the man of action, ang ating pong Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Lumanos.
Good morning. Una ay binabati ko ang ating mga kasamang manggagawa sa educational institution o sector. Ang ating Presidente, President Melma, at mga Board of Regents. Congratulations, overwhelmingly unanimously elected as new President again of the Universidad. And thank you for doing a good job. You will continue to pursue excellence in delivery of good quality education. As you all know, your city government we continue to focus on our dreams and aspirations, delivering MBN, minimum basic needs, education, healthcare, housing, and jobs. Thus, we are going to invest. We're going to invest in quality of life. Pagpapataas ang antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. Diyan nakatuon ang inyong pamahalaan Luzon. With the help, of course, of our Vice Mayor, si Echesa, and the members of the Sangguniang Panglunsod. Hindi naman siya imposible. Mahirap, pero hindi imposible. I would like to, all of you, I encourage each and every one of you to welcome our new 13 nurses. Edward, gusto ko makita yung magagandang nurses natin. Welcome to government service. Hindi sila maniwala na natawagan sila ng Sabado. Nagulat sila. Totoo ba yan? Yung Saturday po ngayon. Wala po pasok. I think that is a signal for you. Even holidays and Saturdays, if not, we're trying to do our job in our own little way to address every challenges of the city. We try to value time and opportunity to solve those challenges. kahit na oras na nagpahinga. Good luck sa inyo sa Manila. Dito, walang tulugan. But thank you sa inyo. And I hope, siguro naman marami din nababasa sa Facebook o madalas ang mga reklamo, ang mga nurses sa araw na masungit. Tayo magsusungit. Tayo to them. Telling you straight. Hindi madali magtrabaho para sa tao. Sabihin, milyon-milyon, daang libo, iba-ibang isip, iba-ibang nagdamit, iba-ibang pananaw. Kaya tayo mga nasa pamahalaan, dapat tanawakan natin ang ating pangunawa. Tayo ang unawa sa kanila. But then, of course, we will not also tolerate yung usapan na. But as much as we can, awakan ninyo ang prosesa ninyo. Ang may sakit, ang sino mong tao na may sakit, walang mauunawaan katwiran. Kasi, siyempre, meron siyang nararamdaman, physical pain. So, he or she cannot understand. So, that's why we, in the government, kailangan napakan natin ang pasensya. But, we're happy. Congratulations. Ang ating Manila Health Director, Grace Padilla. Sa lahat ng mga empleyado dito, alam ko, marami kayong minahal. Baka marami na ang puso nyo. Mamaya, bubuksan na natin ang club sa Luzon na Maynila. I hope hindi nyo magamit, but if ever that you needed it, ayan, bubukas na officially. After 3 long years of our machine sleeping, not being utilized, same thing with Pacific Hospital last week, binuksan na natin. So, ito, isang patunay na patuloy tayong mamumuhunan sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. So, kung kayo mga kailangan ng angiogram, and sooner or later, hopefully, makabit natin yung level of skills to do angioplasty in the city of Manila. Then, you will save hundreds of thousands and millions of pesos each patient doing the procedure, because the city of Manila will operate for free, no cost to the patient. It is your money that we use. We are just utilizing it properly and efficiently. You deserve better things from your government. Sa ating mga kapwa magagawa, mag-ingat kayo, mabago-bago ang panahon, pusong sipon, ubo, pagkakaingin patilya, maraming vitamins yan. Mag-ingat kayo sa inyong pangangatawan. Huwag kayo magkasakit. Una, kailangan kayo ng pamilya nyo. Pangalawa, kailangan po kayo. I cannot do this for my own. I cannot do this alone. I need each and every one of you to do your job, to do your task in your field of undertaking. We must come together in harmony and synchrony to deliver what we should be delivering to our people. Remember this, for this week, we are in people helping people business. That is our business. So I hope that God will protect you, each and every one of you, give you good health and strength and wisdom. And God